In our last video, we had learned how to create project WBS. In this video, we will learn how to do estimation work. Now, in our previous video, we had created project WBS. We had created one activity. Our finishing work was our head. We had created 3 activities there. Now, I will show you how it represents in our bar chart. In our bar chart, you can see a civil work. Our main heading is coming, under which my finishing work, which is my subheading, it is showing, and under this my 3 activities that we had created are showing, along with their schedule, start date, end date, and their planned quantities. That's how our parenting and sub-parenting work is done and is being shown here. Okay, now we will go to our WBS activity form. Here I will select from summary my activity. Here is my activity, internal wall plaster. Upon selection, all the data will get fetched from project WBS form. Here we have resource estimation tab. Here we can estimate the resources that will be used in this activity. I will add rows from this plus sign. I will add 2 resources. My resource will be material. First resource will be cement. Second resource will be sand. Here its unit get fetched and it has a resource code which get fetched from site master. Here I will simply put my estimated quantity for 25,000 square meter of plaster work. So this will be my estimated quantity. If I have any estimated rate, I can mention. Now ERP will not allow me to exceed this quantity while raising any PO. So that's how we have our quantity control. This also acts as a budget. So that's how ERP will help you staying in our budget and completing our project in due timeline. I will save my entry, and when I will raise any PO, I will just tag this activity there, and rest work will be done by ERP. Thank you everyone.